I'm going to take a quick look at the stove. You can see the front of this is a piece of diamond plate, 2 holes drilled in it, and it's made so that when you turn it this way, no air gets in. When you turn it like this, then you can get full air going into it. And then this is about a 1/2-inch piece of pipe welded on the outside of it to reinforce the door, and so this just goes inside of it. The hinge is a piece of pipe with a rod down through it, and it's welded here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and here, and here, and here, and then it makes it into a hinge. And so the door locks shut with just a little flap, and I had that because I want to be able to store it easy, and so that just flops down there nice and easy. The way that this thing works is this is wedge shaped here, and so when you put this down and start pushing on it, the harder you push, the more it clamps the door shut. This is 1-inch angle in here, and that's just to reinforce the front of it. The whole stove is really made from 2 propane tanks. You can see 1 propane tank, factory seam, my seam, and then flat on here. I've made a flat deck on the top of it so I could cook on it or heat water on it or whatnot. Piece of diamond plate across here, and then another piece of pipe here with a piece of flat welded on top of it, and then drilled exactly 4 inches with a 4-inch hole saw so that this would work. And then I have a flue in here so that I can choke that off. And then we have holes drilled in all 4 corners so that we can pick it up and move it when it's hot, so we can move it out of the tent, bring it outside and cook. And then I just modified this and put pins in all of the legs. The legs come out here, so this is welded onto here. The legs come out, and then these pins hold it on so you can take it and carry it back and forth. And then I have this hoe that I made. It's got a nice handle on it, and it comes apart in the middle so that the whole thing will fit inside the stove. And you've probably seen this exact same stove in a lot of my videos. I use it in my tent. I use it outside to cook on. We just made a really nice meal a little bit ago. So if you're thinking about doing this as a project, pretty simple, nice project, very practical.